Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to open Nissan key fob. Firstly, turn the key fob over and locate and press the small release button below the mechanical emergency key. Now look for a seam or small notch along the edge of the fob, usually near the key slot, and insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the seam. Now gently twist or pry the fob open. Avoid using too much force to prevent damage. Now carefully lift the old battery out using the screwdriver tip or fingernail. Take a note of the battery's orientation and then place the new battery and ensure the plus side is facing up, and press down gently to secure the battery in place. Now align both halves of the fob and press them together until they click shut and reinsert the mechanical key. Press the lock or unlock or start buttons to verify everything works, and if the fob is unresponsive, double check battery placement and ensure the casing is fully closed. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.